Yeah, yeah. Going down because I told my dog. You better not do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another notebook video. Today I'm gonna be recording a zip line. I'm gonna be doing 5 runs, and each of the videos there's gonna be like 3 parts. Cause I want to do 15 runs in total, and that means the full video. So that means when I'm doing parted videos, I'm doing the second part of that video because I come record it. Okay, let's go. No, that was a bad lunch. Oh my god. An anchor. Come on. Turn collision off these blocks. This is only the second run. No collision back on those blocks. I don't go through it. And then boom. Why? Worst lunch ever. Stop it now. Turn collision off a couple of blocks, and then boom. And then lunch. Why is it doing that? It don't need more thrust. It's just doing that on purpose. Or maybe I actually do have to use a portal to get in it. That might be what's messing it up. I swear to God, this was messing it up. I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, that's enough. You need to get me in the stupid chair so I can do the third one. I didn't even jump. Bro, will you actually stop? Load back in. Now. That's literally only third run. I haven't even made no more gold. That's unacceptable. It's only your third run, you all be tripping. I don't know why you're broken, but you stop breaking. Why are you not teleporting me inside of the builder? Because I'm pretty sure that's where I'm supposed to be. I have no idea what you're doing, but I'm supposed to be inside of the build, not outside of it. Yes! Yes! Finally it wanna work. Then if I reset, it should be unanchored, and then this is the fourth run already. So I might actually be doing. This is a giant catapult, actually. Oh, come on. Yes. I'm in the chair. I'm in the actual chair. Click it and go. Oh my god. No, it bounced me back. No. Okay, let's see if I can get another thruster so I can just add a whole bunch of thrusters to this. Yes, I got one thruster. Okay, now I'm gonna unanchor it. Since I've already did like a lot of runs, there might actually only be 2 parts of this video. I have a video coming soon that has to do with water. Like, I'm gonna be buying a whole bunch of sand to make some whole thing of water. And I'm gonna... Why would I say that? Now it won't be funny. Cause I wanna try to troll y'all guys, but now it's not gonna be even funny no more, cause y'all already know what it is. Y'all will already know, but y'all gonna be walking on the water. And I'm surprised I only have 3 pieces of sand. Like, that's crazy. Let's see what happens. Go. Oh my god, I made it so far. Load the thing back in. Reset. Oh my god, that was crazy. I was finna say what happened to it. You know what, I'm actually gonna just do like this, so I get a little bit more footage. I'm actually just gonna place like 3 blocks. So match rotation. 1, 2, 3. You know, actually, okay, no, you were not supposed to do that. That was unacceptable right there. That was very appreciative. Don't do that, please. Not good. Never do that. But since the prank is already messed up, I'm gonna be buying like 4,000 sand or something like that, and I'm gonna I want to turn the grass, the water into water. Oh my god, that's actually so cool what I just did. But it didn't work very well. It didn't work. It was cool, but it didn't work. Why are you teleporting me the wrong way? That's the wrong freaking way to teleport me into the build. There's no way I'm not sitting in the chair as soon as I get... No, that's bad. Oh! But guys, I want to end this video off right here. I'm gonna make part 2. Yeah. I think we'll be playing one again. You better stop feeling I'm about to kill this.